This song goes out to all you dogs. He's always laughing and flirting with me, and you act like you don't even care. As a matter of fact, you've been real distant lately, acting like I'm not even there. You don't deserve a girl like me. I'm starting to think that he's right. Baby, if you let him take me from you, I guess I'll finally see. If you let him take me from you, you never wanted me. Let this happen and it proves that your love was never true. If you let him take me from you, oh baby, if you let him take me from you. Why is it that when we go out together as one big crew, I try to chill with you, dance or whatever, and your homeboy's more interested than you. He pays more attention to me than you lately. Baby, I guess I finally see you never wanted me, no. That your love was never true. If you let him take me from you, oh baby, if you let him take me from you. When I try to show some affection to you, you act like you got better things to do. You want some loving, that's when it's cool. But baby boy, I'm not a fool. Oh, I guess I finally see. Woo, you never wanted me. No, 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 no. How could you let him take your woman? Are you gonna let him take me from you? I guess I'll finally see. No, no, you never wanted me. Just let me go. Let me go. Let me know. If you let him take me from you. Good boy. Say hi, everyone. Almost shoot you. Come on. Good. Oh, you getting comfortable. Can I go back to work? Please? I can work? I can work? Okay, come on, boy. Come on, boy, let's go. Come on. Good. Aw, okay. Alright, so come on. Come on, man. Come on. Alright, this is good. Right here, babe. Say hi, Zeus.